Filter installation troubleshooting for ezH2O enhanced bottle filling stations. Stainless steel units may have components with sharp edges. Cut-resistant gloves should be worn when handling these components. Always unplug the power cord from the unit before changing the filter so the system will read the new filter once it is plugged back in. Here are tools you may need when troubleshooting. After installing an Elkay filter into your enhanced unit, the filter status light should automatically reset from red back to green. If the filter is installed incorrectly, the red light will begin flashing. Here's how to troubleshoot the issue so the light turns back to green. We recommend using a genuine Elkay filter. Our filters are designed and manufactured to work within Elkay units in order to provide optimum performance. Verify the filter is Elkay part number 51300C or 51600C. The back label will be red. The red label on the back of the filter should be facing the circuit board behind the filter. The wire harness should be firmly plugged into the side of the circuit board behind the filter. Remove the mounting screws from the top cover of the bottle filler to access the harness. Unplug the wire connection between the bottle filler and water cooler and inspect the pins for corrosion. Replace both harnesses if corrosion is found. Firmly plug connection between bottle filler and water cooler together, ensuring they click. If further assistance is needed, contact Elkay Product Technical Services. Please call while you are at the water delivery unit, as our tech services representative may ask questions regarding the installation in order to help you properly.